Model, 64-plate Ford Transit 350L3 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps H3 van spares OR repairs low miles. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 117774. MOT, 6 December 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 6,000.